Hey everybody, it's Rulon Brown from Key Leaves. I'm here with a CONN 6M Alto Sax. I'm going to show you how to use your Key Leaves sax key props to stop sticky G sharp, E flat, and C sharp. It's pretty simple. All you're going to do is you're going to take the curve of the prop and you're going to slide it under the key arm, and it just gently caresses around the key cup. It doesn't touch leather, it's safe on all finishes, it's squishy, it's just safe for all saxophones. And then you can bring the strap around over here, and all I'm gonna do is come in, see if I can get my hand out of the way as I do that. See how it's now under there? I just slide that under there. And that's gonna open up the C sharp key arm and the G sharp. So now the C sharp, G sharp, and E flat are open to dry clean. And you can just set that down in your case and you're good to go with your CONN 6M.